it is time to say goodbye to more kittens tomorrow. Oh my goodness. Let me see. Oh, so handsome. So handsome. So oh, little Eve, you're so cute. Oh, good. I think the yowling is getting closer. Come on, come on. Yeah. There's your mommy tip. Okay. There we go. Oh, wowza. That was loud. That was my laptop. That was an eep. Eeping my laptop. Okay. So, we've got Flower and Bluebell leaving tomorrow, and Thumper and Hiccup leaving tomorrow. So, we will be back down to 3 kittens and 1 mama tip. Yes, we will. Oh, yes, so sweet. So, hi Bluebell. I will be leaving early because I need to stop and get paperwork at Mountain View on the way to Laps. So in order to be at Laps on time, I will be leaving early. So there will be no time for suitcases in the morning, is the point of that. So, you've already seen most of the things, well, pretty much everything, I think, that's going in. I put them in the bags, because there are so many things. So, let's see, Mummy Tip is giving you some privacy, Mummy. So this is Hiccup and Thumper's bag. I'll just show you some of the different things. This How to Train Your Dragon themed lunchbox is perfect for Hiccup and Thumper. You fit in there? You can go to lunch. And also from How to Train Your Dragon, Toothless. So I think it's especially appropriate that Toothless goes home with Hiccup, but also with Thumper, so that he can remember his brother. So that's pretty cute. One of the custom art pieces was that the DreamWorks, one of the DreamWorks people made for someone who donated towards the sponsorship was Toothless with Toothless. So it had Toothless and then it had like a little Toothless. It was really sweet. Really made me weep. So Toothless is going. And then of course their wands, which you've seen. You can't go. You can't go. And then Hiccup, the little felted Hiccup, which is so adorable with his special tail and everything. So sweet. That's you when you were teeny tiny. You were that size. You were that size when you were born. That's not for you to play with. Hi there. Can you write this? Oh, so sweet. Oh, yes. This is my laptop. Excuse me. No, it's not time. You don't get that yet. That's not for you. And then I think you've seen all the other, oh my gosh, there goes my poor laptop. My poor laptop. He is a little laptop killer. Yes, you are. Oh, you're so soft. And then, of course, Thumper was obsessed with this snake for a while. Excuse me, Melipip. He got all growly, and this was like his favorite thing ever. So that's going on. Oops, oh, he knocked you off my nap, I'm sorry. And then we'll put Gray Mousy in there. And then this was also a favorite of Thumper. So we'll put this in there too. Oh, he's not going to let me put it in. Hi, Mommy. You guys have unpacked this whole bag, and then I will be putting everything in the suitcases. In here. I don't know if you can see that. Noisy. Put that in there. And then you're so cute. Now we can put this in here. Oh, Bootsy. So, Snooter Doots sent some carrots to us. Oh, duct tape failure. That's very exciting. So, I should actually put that up properly one of these days. Oh gosh, no chat for me. Look, it's a carrot, Eepers. Look, Eepers. It's a carrot. Alright. Maybe I'll put some of these in here. Excuse me. And there's Scratcher from Peace of Mind Pet Products. Also, oh my goodness. Okay. Let's put this over here. I'm going to put this outside of the room so that they don't end up absconding with something. This is yours. Tip's had enough. She thought she wanted to come visit, but she doesn't. So, Bluebell and Flower. Oh no, Hiccup is forlorn. Oh, Bootsy. Come here. Here, we'll do a quick. Oh, you might be. Are you too big? Whew. Almost too big for this. Oh, look. It's Bootsy, King of the Jungle. King of the Jungle. Oh, so handsome. So handsome. Are you so handsome? Where are you going? Look, what's this? What's this? You're so handsome. Oh my goodness. Yes, you are so handsome. It's good to get them used to wearing things when they're little. Because look all the things Cassidy has to wear for therapeutic reasons. It would have been nice if someone played dress up with him when he was little, because he wouldn't hate it so much. Oh yes. Yes, what a good sport. That was a random moment of adorableness. Oh, Hiccup, you're so handsome. Like, he's gonna take it out on the carrot. The carrot will pay. Hi. Oh, you are so sweet. You are so sweet. Oh my goodness, so sweet. I am accepting applications for Eat an Owl. tinykittens.com/adopt. Oh, Bootsy's gonna lick the carrot and he's gonna kick it. Kick it. Alright, so Flower, these are the Mountain View kittens. Little ribbon ones. Very adorable. A little stuffed puppy to snuggle with. Of course, one of these, which are fun. And you guys have seen most of these things. Their graduation caps. What are you doing in there? And there's Scratcher. And some other miscellaneous items. White Mousy. An Eep. A squeegee snake, of course. Oh, I bet Thumper's gonna get this. Get it. Ooh, oops, oh no. Oh, these are fun. Oh no. Oh, I'm being attacked. I'm being attacked. We've got some of those already. Fish. Some mice. That's good. I think that is about it. The suitcases are outside. Thumper and Hiccups are in the bag, but there was so much stuff that didn't fit in there. I thought I would just put it right in the bags. Because there were so many big items this time. Look at you. Yes, I had one in here. You are very handsome, so I will be putting them together and putting things in there. Let me see your ears. Let me see your ears. Oh, you're so handsome. Checking ears. Mm-hmm. You. Thumper's having a big old time with that white mouse. He's taking it back to his lair. Oh, and look at this little owl. So cute. Eep and Owl are getting their... Oh, that was a ferocious Thumper guarding his white mouse. Eep and Owl are getting their spays on Friday. While I'm in LA. You're so sweet. Oh, you're so sweet. This little owl needs a lap of her own. She does. She's a little lap kitten. She needs snuggles all the time. cute. I forgot what I got distracted by adorableness. Hello. We are still looking for applications for Eep and Owl, hoping to match them with the perfect home where they will get lots of love. Oh, Hiccup, you're so cute. So they will still be here. Can you see Thumper? He's being so silly. So silly and adorable. I should get out of the way so you can see him. Because it's pretty cute. Oh, that's your brother. That may be okay too. What's this? Oh, he's so fierce. There's the bluebell. Somewhere back here. Where is she? She's very ferocious too. Oh, it's so cute. You've probably seen the post about Nova that I managed to trap Nova on Wednesday, and I brought her here in secret because I wanted to monitor her for a couple of days, and then I'm going to try to bring her to Mountain View on Tuesday and see if we can tell for sure if she's not pregnant. I don't think she is pregnant, which is awesome. And so if we can confirm that she's not pregnant, then she will be spayed, and then she'll come back here for recovery. She's doing pretty well. She's quite fearful, which is to be expected because she's a feral cat. And oh, so ferocious. He's so ferocious over there, that's Mr. Thumper. And it would be nice if she's not pregnant, because she will never have to go through losing kittens again. And she's pretty calm, even though she's quite fearful. She's one of the calm and not aggressive ones. She kind of shuts down and just waits for it to be over when I'm in the room. So I'm hoping that might allow us to get a feel in, and potentially even an x-ray, which would be good. But I also think, since she's not aggressive, that and it will be easy enough for me to get her into I shouldn't say it will be easy. I think I will be able to manage to get her in and out of a carrier, so that I can bring her back here for recovery, and we'll see how she does. And then if she needs treatment for anything else, she sounds a little wheezy sometimes, and I've dewormed her as much as I can, but it would be nice to give her a little bit, like at least one more round of deworming before she heads back. So that's the plan with Nova. Oh, he's so tough. Are you going to take that from him? Look at him, he's having so much fun. Oh, it's so cute. So cute. Here's a sleepy little bluebell. How's your tummy doing? You're so cute. You're so cute. Now, let me take a look at you. Ugh. You're so cute. You're so cute. We will miss all of our little munchkins, but I am happy for them finally to get to be in their homes. It's been a long time. You're so cute. Oh, I didn't think to check. I'm curious about how many nipples Bluebell has. Daisy had 8, which is the normal number. But I didn't know if it was a black kitten thing or if it was. See, there's one there. I think that's one. I think that Bluebell might have 9 also. Okay, you just have to sit still for a minute. You're so cute. Little monkey. Well, let's see. No, that one. Wait, where does that one go? Does that one go with that one? Nope, I think she might have 8. There's one that's very small, but I think that counts though. You're so cute. You're so cute. So anyway, enjoy your last night with Bluebell, Flower, Hiccup, and Thumper. Oh, it's very exciting. You're so cute. Oh my goodness, you're so cute. Is Eep in the bag? Where did Eep go? Oh no, she's up there. You should see her look at her face. That was a very intense, I'm about to attack face. It was very intense. She got herself a banana. All right, yeah, so another big week. Sarah, yes, I did get your package and thank you, and you should be getting a thank you note soon, in fact. And I'm sorry it has taken so long. Yes. So, we're finally starting to get caught up on things. Well, a little bit caught up on things. So it's still going to be another week or more. Well, it's definitely going to be at least a week before everyone here is gone. I don't know how long Eep and Owl will be here. And then we have Mr. T and Piney for another 10, 11 days. And then Nova for I'm not sure how long. And then Cassidy, who requires several hours of therapy a day. So we've got quite a full house here at Tiny Kittens HQ, even though it doesn't seem like it, probably after having 12 kittens. But it will take at least a couple more weeks until everyone's cleared out. And but in the meantime, if we can trap a pregnant, well, if Nova is not pregnant, then I will try to trap another pregnant mom from the feral colony. But it would also be nice to have a couple of weeks to try to catch up on some stuff that has been long overdue. And also Cassidy could use more hours the more hours I can spend with him, the better off he's going to be. So if I had a few weeks or months even to spend really working on his knees, that would be good for him. So I'm going to try not to overload myself as much once these guys go, because it is still quite a lot going on around here, but and I want to make sure that since we have this opportunity to work with Dr. Marcel and Little for Cassidy, that I want to make sure that I do the best possible job, give Cassidy the best possible chance. So I do need to be able to dedicate several hours a day, 7 days a week to him. So that's kind of what the plan will be. But and it does take, even though you guys don't see it, but it actually takes quite a lot of time to manage all the logistics and everything for finding adopters and getting them adopted and getting them spayed and neutered and back and forth, and all the records and the paperwork and the logistics there, and delivering to LA, stuff like that, just ends up taking a lot of time. It's taken a really lot of time with these guys, but just because there were so many of them and everything was so complicated. So trying to still get caught up on that stuff, but you get to go home tomorrow, so that's really all that matters. You get to go home and we're so excited. I think that EP is she has kind of adjusted, which it's nice at this age. They do adjust really quickly, so that's nice. But I know that I'm sure that they are still missing having dedicated lap time, and they had it made there for a while. So we'll just have to make sure that we get them a really good home. Yes, right? A really good home. This one is Owl right here. This is Owl. She's a little snuggle bunny. And so, and EP's also, when I pick her up, she just purrs and purrs and purrs. They're both very sweet, very wondrous. Yes, they are. So, we will just see what happens there. Make sure that they get a wonderful home. I have not been flooded with applications yet, but I know that there are lots of kittens available right now, and so we shall see. You're so cute. You're so cute. Let me see your tummy. Oh, Bluebell. You're very cute. No puss. That's a good thing. You're so cute. So, I think that's it. Yes, Cassidy still needs his second round of PT for the day. His first round could have been longer. And I'm supposed to increase the time by about a half hour every day, but it really depends on how much he will tolerate and how sore he is. So I don't think I've made much progress this week, unfortunately. Look at you. So So, but we'll see. We'll find out this week. We'll take some more measurements, I think, and see if there is any progress. And working on getting a garment that may help keep his leg bent, but again, really nothing has really worked great. The cart is okay sometimes, but it's almost more hassle than it's worth. But he will need to have something that he wears multiple like 4 hours twice a day, 5 hours twice a day. That's I'm not going to be able to manually stretch him for 5 hours twice a day. So he needs to he'll need to tolerate something. Yes, look at this. Hi, Eeps. Oh, Eeps. Eep, 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 eep. You're so cute. You're so cute. What's this? Is that your tail? And you are the cutest. Maud and Wheezy. Oh, is that just a gratuitous bite? Yes, so Dr. Marcellin Little is one of the best in the field for doing implants. He does along the lines of what Dr. Fitzpatrick in the UK does, and the research he's doing is applicable to humans too. So the stuff he's doing to help cats and dogs also can help humans one day. So I think that's pretty cool. I said on the other camera, I had Cassie on the camera today. If you want to, I was going to shut down and post the video from today. You can see some of the therapy stuff that needs to happen. But anyway, I said on that feed, Thumper's going to play with all the white mice. Anyway, I said on that feed that Dr. Marcel Little has made it very clear that he will only do implant surgery if he feels that it's in Cassie's best interest, which I really appreciate. And it's not something that we're going to know in the next, week or two. It's something that we have to see how he responds to the different therapeutic attempts and the different treatment plans. And we wouldn't be able to do surgery till he's mostly done growing anyway, so we've got a couple of months at least, but still need to do every day as much stretching as possible to try to salvage his knees, because without his knees I don't know how helpful an implant will be. So really plan A is save the knees. So I just have to commit to do as much as is needed. Oh, get him. Oh, EB is being ferocious. So cute. So anyway, where you going, buddy? So you guys will still have Tip, Bootsy, Eep, and Owl after tomorrow. And then hopefully Tip and Bootsy are going on Friday. And then we shall see about Eep and Owl. And hi, you're so cute. Oh, you're so cute. Aren't you just the cutest? Oh, you're so cute. You're so cute. You're very cute. Look how cute she is. Oh. You're very soft. You're so soft. Soft like a bunny. You're so cute. I missed you when you were gone. Oh, and the little owl. We should make Flower a little snuggle. Everyone's having independent snuggle time. What are you doing, Mr. Thumper? Oh, you're so handsome. So I will be leaving. I need to figure out what time I need to leave in the morning in order to get to Mountain View and then back to Laps. Oh, did you just bite me? So probably like 9 or 9:30. I'm not sure. But so anyway, enjoy them for the night, and then in the morning, all the Facebook pages are linked on tinykittens.com. If you scroll down and you see all the previous litters listed, you can click the link that says see them now and see all the Facebook pages. You are so cute. Bootsy's got something to say. You smell something? Oh, are you getting into the catnip? Hey, Bootsy. So, thanks for tuning in. Thank you for sending all the wonderful things. And making their suitcases so special. I'm going to attempt to repack this bag. After it was unpacked by such scampy kittens, this mouse is going along. And here's your new snooter doot carrot. You will like this. Look, this is fun. Oh, get it. She said, no, I want to go in the bag. There you go. There you go. Put this out here. There. Oh, there's Mommy. Oh, she's so little. No, everyone's eating. Oh, no. Oh, okay. Oh, there we go. Okay. Now I have to round up some kittens. Oh, no. Now, so Kittens